Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title as well as the thumbnail, we are doing an unboxing of some items that I picked up from Nordstrom. I'm super excited because I feel like I haven't treated myself in so long, but yeah, we did it. So in case you guys don't know, Nordstrom opened up, what's today, the 20th? Oh, it's actually today. So in case you guys don't know, Nordstrom opened up their brand new flagship location in New York City today, October 24th, on 57th Street between Broadway and 7th Avenue. It is huge. It has 7 floors. It has almost anything that you could be looking for, from low prices to high prices. Like, Nordstrom is big because you can go in there and boil on a budget, but you can also go in there and splurge. So that's why I rock with Nordstrom. They have a great variety. Their customer service is bomb. They're huge on respect, and everyone in there is just so nice, and their variety of options is insane. So I went to a friends and family shopping event on Saturday before they open, and I picked up some goodies. I also posted an IGTV on my Instagram page of my experience at the store, so you guys can have a glimpse of the store before you go. You can see like what items I liked, what items I tried on, in case you guys need a sense of things that you will be interested in purchasing. But yeah, so it was a really great time. I love the location. It's so bomb. It's right in the middle of Manhattan, near Columbus Circle, near Times Square, like near the N train, near the W train. It's just amazing. So I picked up some items from Nordstrom, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna unbox them with y'all and all of that, okay? So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below and turn it gray, because you will be back for more. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and before you head out, don't forget to drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that I picked up are shoes that I have been eyeing for a while now, and they are Alexander Wang heels, and they are just so beautiful. So first of all, I wore these heels already, so this is a unboxing with some heavy air quotes, but I tried to wrap it back up and make it look cute or whatever for y'all. So these are them. These shoes are so amazing. I wore them on Instagram, and you guys gave me so many compliments. Like, the heart eyes were on 100, and yeah, so when I open the box, we have this duster bag to like throw the shoes in if you want like minimalist storage, or if you just want to, like, I use these when I travel to put my designer shoes and bags in them. And these are the shoes. So I wrapped them up real cute, like they was brand new for y'all, okay? So these are them. They are so beautiful. So they have these rhinestone studs, and it has a sling back heel. So sling back heels are back in now. I have these, and then I also bought some from Topshop, but they're really comfortable because I don't like things like feeling tight around my ankles. So sling back heels give you a comfortable fit, and then it has this see-through strap on the front, and then inside the shoe it says Alexander Wang, and they are just so fire. Like, what? Originally I wanted the ones with the studs without the rhinestones, but when I saw these, I was like, oh, I need her now, immediately. So these heels retail for $695, and I think they're absolutely worth it. These are shoes that I know I'll have for a very long time. Also, I wanted to point out that the heel is a suede material, as well as the panels underneath the The rhinestone studs are also suede material, and the toe bed. So just wanted to point that out. I wouldn't really recommend wearing these like in the rain or any other like wet weather, because then the suede would get messed up. But these are so fire. I can dress them down, as you guys are gonna see in this picture where I wore them already. I can dress them up. I'm going to a wedding tomorrow and I will be wearing these heels, and because I paid $695, you know I'm gonna wear them 695 times. So these were the first purchase. I think these are so fire, so fire. So I wear a size 39 in heels, and I did get these in a size 39, so they do run true to size if you're wondering how the sizing runs on these. So the next item that I picked up was another pair of shoes, and I was like, I'm gonna get one pair of shoes. Mama needs a new pair of shoes, but Mama didn't know she needed 2 new pairs of shoes, okay? So these are the second shoes that I picked up. They're boots. This was a very big purchase. And they are Chloe boots, and they're so fire. I saw them on display, and when I was in Nordstrom in the shoe department, I was shopping with Annie. So if you do go to the Nordstrom NYC location, shop with Annie. She is so bomb. And for me, I don't want to say I'm picky with the people I shop with, but I prefer to shop with people who have a great personality, who can like catch my style off rip. And when I asked Annie to try these on, she also brought out 2 other pairs of shoes that I was also eyeing that she didn't know about. So the fact that she was able to match me to those shoes just told me that she automatically picked up on my style, and I love that. Her personality was so great. She was not pushy at all. I don't like shopping with people who are like pushy, like just buy it, I'm trying to get my coin and go about your business. She was very like she was very honest with her opinions, and she helped me get these shoes. So with these boots, I asked her to try them on after I decided I was getting the heels, and I love them on the display, but girl, when I put them on, I was like, oh, I need these as well. It just did something to my feet. I don't know what it did, but they were just so bomb. So these boots also come with a duster bag. So it comes with 2 since they are boots. So they both say Chloe on them, and they are white with the cream writing on it. So I will be using these little baggies when I am traveling with these boots. And then you go ahead and open it up. And these are the boots. These are so fire, okay? These boots, honey, showstopper. Yeah, these boots are so fire. So I did get these boots in a size 39. And honestly, when I asked for a 39, I thought, oh, I'm going to need a size 40 because I have very wide feet. And my feet always swell up. So even though I am a 39, sometimes I'll take a 40 just so I have extra room when my feet decide to act up. But these boots are in the midnight color. They're all black, but this panel here is in navy. I'm not sure if it's paying off on camera, but these boots are beyond fire, okay? Look at them. The detailing is just so nice. The quality of these boots are amazing. I love how it's fun and funky. Like, it has a lot going on, but not too much going on. I'll go ahead and put a clip on the screen from my IGTV when I did try these boots on, and y'all were going crazy in the comments. People were like, oh, I hope you got those boots, those boots, those boots, those boots. But guess what? The boots came home with mama. So these are them. I think they are so beautiful. So these boots were $1,495. As I said, this was a very big purchase because I don't think I've ever paid this much for any of my shoes. I think these are probably the most expensive shoes that I have. But I just think these are so beautiful. And of course, mama needs a little Chloe bag to go with it. So that might be my next purchase. But yeah, these are just so beautiful. So beautiful. So these are basically the 2 items that I picked up from Nordstrom. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little unboxing of the items that I picked up in case you guys are also interested in purchasing them. Also with these boots, when I asked Annie to try these on, she told me that these are sold out everywhere, which they were. I checked online, and the Nordstrom store got one of each size for like the opening. So it was like either I get these now or never. So that's why I picked them up right away versus, you know, budgeting and getting them later on. But I don't regret it at all. I think these boots are absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I think the Nordstrom in New York City is a great addition to the city. It's something that we have needed for a while because there's only one other Nordstrom closer to me, which is the one in Westchester Mall, and it's okay. Like, they don't be having the, you know, the poppin' items, but I just thought that these two shoes are what I need in my collection, especially for this winter coming up. And I'm really excited. Make sure you guys check out my IGTV to see other things that I tried on in the Nordstrom store in case you guys are interested in them as well. I will be going back to Nordstrom probably in a week or two to be spending more coins. I do want to pick up that blue suit that I tried on in my IGTV, as well as those jeans. Y'all were going crazy for those jeans, so I definitely want to get those jeans. I love the way they fit. Also, why did nobody tell me that good American jeans fit so well? Like, they're a little pricey, but they give you a little hip and a little buttocks, so I definitely want to get a pair of those jeans as well. Comment down below and let me know how you guys felt about this video. Did you guys like this item? Do you feel like your style is similar to mine? Did you guys watch my IGTV? What did you guys think? Comment here, comment on my IGTV, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this type of content, I will show you guys more unboxings when I get things, so if you guys are interested in picking them up as well, you know what's on the market. It's still available versus me coming back later on down the line like, oh, I got those boots 2 years ago. No, sis, I'm telling you now, so if you want them, you can go ahead and pick them up, okay? So comment down below and let me know. And yeah, I'm really excited. I cannot wait to style these items, y'all. As you guys saw, these heels had to be brought out immediately. I legit wore them the day after I bought them. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and drop a comment down below. And until my next video, I will see you all later.